Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 8.3 question number 11. If Meena gives an interest of rupees 45 for 1 year at the rate at 9% rate per annum, what is the sum she has borrowed? That means you have to find the principal. Let us find here let 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 principal be let principal let principal let principal be P. Here rate is given, rate R is given as 9% per annum. R is given as 9% per annum. 9% per annum. And simple interest is given as simple interest, simple interest, simple interest, simple interest, simple interest is equal to rupees 45. And time is given for 1 year, that is time t. Time t is equal to 1 year. Time t is equal to 1 year. We know that simple interest, simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. P into R into T by 100. What is simple interest? That is simple interest is 45. 45 is equal to, we take principal as P into rate of interest, that is 9%, 9 into T is 1 year, that is 1 by 100. If we cross multiply, we will get or P into 9 into 1 is equal to 45 into 100, or P is equal to 45 into 100 by 9. 9 into 9, 9 5 to 45. That comes to rupees. 500. Right? What is the sum she has borrowed? Therefore, hence she has borrowed rupees 500. Therefore, she has borrowed rupees 500. That is the answer. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.